Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a verification required on App Store. So guys, when you have opened your App Store and facing this type of issue that you need to verify your Apple ID in App Store, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. Simply you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys after checking this you need to go back. So guys simply you need to open your Apple ID here, and guys you need to click on sign in and security in your iPhone. And guys after this, first of all you need to change your password from here of your Apple ID, and guys after this you need to turn on two-factor authentication. And guys after turning on, as you can see here, my phone number is not verified on this Apple ID. So guys simply you need to verify your phone number, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys secondly you need to verify your Gmail address from here. As you can see, simply you need to click on edit button, and guys if you have not added yet your Gmail address, then guys you need to add your Gmail address and verify your Gmail address from here. And guys after doing this you need to click on automatic verification. As you can see, simply you need to turn on this, and guys after doing these settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.